no. Please tell me this is the right cake.
I want the princess cake now! I said play. That is not a princess cake!
David, today is Lily's birthday party at school!
Dad, this receipt says dinosaur mega cake. Did you order the wrong one?
I think the bakery mixed the orders.
Nathan, come, I connect line. I think it's fine.
I look for hot tummies.
Whoa! Why is there a monster cake here?
Because Dad ruined my birthday.
Come on, we still have time before school starts. Come on. We still have time before school starts.
Maybe the bakery still has the princess cake.
But what if another girl got Lily's cake?
Then my birthday is ruined forever.
This traffic is terrible. Cargas is big giant. This traffic is terrible.
Dad, I think I saw the bakery delivery bike. Let's follow that scooter. Let's just get in with that scooter. Do not run too fast on the wet floor.
Sir, we received the wrong cake this morning.
Oh no, there was a mix-up with 2 birthday orders.
Bakery's, wakali to laikai. Wait. Why does that order say picked up already?
Someone collected it 30 minutes ago.
We will fix this together.
But my classmates are waiting for the princess cake.
Look at the pink frosting trail. Maybe the cake is nearby.
Tom! Slater! Tom, slow down!
We're close. We are close, I know it. My cake! That's my cake!
Wait,
Hey!
something feels strange.
That could you ride you so. Let's check what.
It's empty?
Who took the real cake?
It's Saturday, Songbird King Plano. Hey yo, sir, did you see someone carrying a princess cake?
Yes, a teacher-looking woman took a pink cake toward the school street.
Maybe teacher has it.
Please let my cake still be okay.
Teacher has the cake.
We found it.
Hi guys, we'll catch that guy. is my birthday cake!
Oh, I thought this was for the school event today. Please let it be safe. Please let it be safe.
I hope nobody dropped it. It's perfect!
Best rescue mission ever.
Class, Lily's birthday cake is finally here.
My family saved it together.
Dad, the cake is falling!
Catch it!
I saved the princess cat!
Thank you for trying so hard, Dad.
I made a mistake, but I never wanted to disappoint you.
Guys, look at this.
What is it?
Wait, this is the dinosaur order?
Then where did the princess decorations come from?
It was both cakes together. A princess dinosaur cake? That is amazing!
The dinosaur wants more birthday cake! The dinosaur wants more birthday cake! Run, Princess Lily!
Next year, I will double check the order.
No. Next year I want another dinosaur princess cake.